Which option given here is correct based on the statements given A and B? Whereas statement A is related with the solar cell VI characteristic and statement B is related with the reverse bias of a PN junction diode. It's known that in a solar cell, the current is produced because of the photovoltaic effect. Or else we can say, when the solar cell is exposed to light, it will produce the current. And it's known that VI graph is nothing but which will show the relation between the current and the voltage. Usually, the current voltage characteristic of a solar cell will be lie on fourth quadrant because it's known that the photoelectric effect will happen only on the reverse bias and the reverse bias will be represented on the fourth quadrant. So here we can say statement A given here is correct. Let us check statement B. Statement B is related with the reverse bias of PN junction diode. It's known that in a reverse biased PN junction diode, the current is mainly due to the minority charge carriers, not due to the majority carriers. So when a PN junction diode is reverse biased, the current is primarily very small and is due to the minority carriers that are thermally generated as well. So this small reverse current is often referred as the reverse saturation current. So based on that, we can say statement B given here is wrong because it's mentioned that the reverse current is because of the majority charge carriers. So based on this, we can say option C given here is correct because statement A is correct, statement B is incorrect.